Land, everybody on the interwebs, Twitter, and everywhere else that I hang out in, Career Karma, Springboard, all you wonderful people, how you doing? So HV here again with another update. Just like I promised, video journals of my experience with Springboard's prep course and cohort career track for the web development. It is now day 7. Last update I did was day 4. I had a couple days in there where I had to take it easy a little bit because I had some personal things going on there. But I was able to finish up my HTML fundamentals. Yeah! It's stupid, I know. But anyway, I did finish the HTML fundamentals. That was awesome. Again, learned some pretty cool things. Started working on a little side project for myself. I'll reveal what that is later when I'm more complete with it, but it's going to be a simple thing, but still just showcasing a little bit of what I learned on the prep course and things to come, right? In the meantime, once I finish that up, I moved on to CSS, started doing the preliminaries on that for the prep course. Again, just fundamentals. Picking up a few things here and there that I didn't know before, a couple things that I had to review. But for the most part, it's good, simply because I have played with the HTML before a little bit. Not so much with the CSS, and being that it's its own entire language, its own other thing. It's a new learning curve for me, but it's all good because that's what we're here for, right? We're here to learn and make ourselves better and keep on learning. So I did start that, and funny thing is, I got to on the prep course a few hiccups along the way. It's divided into units. You review some of the units, you watch the video, you do some of the exercises. That's how I've been doing it anyway. It's been working out great for me that way. And I got to unit 5 and 6, which coincidentally named units as well, and the box model. And then I went on to another portion, and then I went to section 8 and 9, which I haven't done just yet, but I'm getting there. I'm actually on the box model unit right now. But the prior units, that one was, I found out that it's a read-along type of situation, not so much as a follow-along video, but for whatever reason, when you clicked on it, the link came back as a 404 error, and there was nothing there. Being familiar with 404s, basically all I did was let somebody at Springboard know. Shout out to Jade Cooper, awesome gal. She, I told her what was going on with it. She's my TA. And she sent, I told her, hey, I found this issue. Just wanted to notify somebody so that no one else is having a hard time with it. Not sure if you guys are aware of it. She responded to me, and she said that she would let somebody know and they're going to take care of it. But I, throughout the day, kept doing some research, and I found some links on website called Wayback Machine, I believe it's what it's called. I never used it before, but I did find it. It was pretty cool because what it does is it archives a lot of stuff, off the internet basically, and makes it available, almost like a time rewind type of thing. So I was able to find all 4 of those links and those articles available on the website. So I took those links and I forwarded over to Jay Cooper, again, awesome gal, TA at Springboard, and I gave it to her, and I'm sure that she's going to take care of it. She's wonderful, and I'll put it back up on the website with the updated links if need be, or if they have to create some of their own and put them up there. But the case of the matter is it wasn't there. I was able to successfully find an alternative solution for them, and I sent it to them, and hopefully they'll find them. And pretty proud of that because I wasn't aware of it. I don't think a lot of people were aware of it. And I'm not saying anything bad about Springboard or anything like that, or the maintenance on the site or anything. It's just one of those hiccups. If they were relying on an external link, for a piece of information. Now that link is gone. Just find a way around it. We work around it. We solve the problem. That's what we're going to be doing as web developers anyway, is we're going to be problem solvers, and debugging things and figuring out why and how, and how do you fix it and move forward from that. So I'm kind of good at problem solving. It's kind of my thing. It's the way I've always been. I always want to know how things work and how things run. How do I make it better? How do I fix it? How do I change it? That's always been who I am. So it's just kind of my realm, if for lack of a better term, it's what I excel at. So anyway, day 7, that's where I'm at. CSS, started the fundamentals on that, found a couple of problems and bugs or whatever you want to call it, and assisted in helping those. So hopefully within the next couple of days we'll see those on the website as resolved, and we'll move forward. And that's my update for today. I'm still doing great, guys, doing well, making some more contacts online, making some more friends online through Springboard's Slack channels, and also through CK. Again, shout out to Career Karma. Again, I would not be here, and I'll say it over and over again, I would not be here today if it wasn't for the support and the family and the community that I have found within the Career Karma app. Guys, if you don't know what it is, go check it out. Just go to your Play Store, go to your iOS store, whatever operating system you use, mobile device, whatever. Go careerkarma.com if you need to, and download it from there. You'll get directed from there to how to get it onto one of the mobile device sites, or mobile device stores anyway. And go download it, go check it out. Go find some of the squads, go join the 21-day CK challenge. You won't regret it. Stick to it. You'll learn stuff. You'll meet new people. It'll take you out of your comfort zone, but that's a good thing, because you'll learn how to network. You'll learn how to talk to people. You'll have a lot of your questions answered. You'll pique your interest. You'll spark your imagination. I mean, it's so great, guys. Really, honestly, it's really great. I can't be enough of an ambassador for what it did to me. I went in at it, and I just saw it there one day, and I said, "What the heck is this all about?" And I just, what the hell, I'll download it. It piqued my interest, and I did it. And 3 days later, I was hooked. I was talking to people, got to meet people. I've come to meet people like Melvin Salvador. He's a great, awesome guy, man. I've been on a couple of calls with him. I got to meet with him and talk to him in person, via one of the AMAs that we did the other day. Timur Meister, also one of the co-founders there for Career Karma. Got to talk to him, through a web chat, and that was awesome meeting him. He's an awesome guy. It was a pleasure speaking with him. He's great. Also contributed and assisted me with my deposits and monies that I needed for, assistance that I needed for my enrollment and stuff for Springboard. So great group of people, great group of guys. If you get to meet them and talk to them, take the chance to do so. Again, Career Karma app, download it. And if you guys are looking for a great boot camp that offers you, monthly payments or assistance of any kind, or deferred tuition, if you're looking for a boot camp that is self-paced, do it on your own time, still doable within a certain amount of time, but do it on your own terms. If you're working full-time or you have a family like myself, if you want to do it on your off time, on the weekends and the evenings, whatever free time you have, you want to learn something good, you want to help develop yourself, grow, to be a professional in a tech company and web development, front end, back end, and all that in between, go check out Springboard. They have an awesome staff, wonderful admin team, great TAs. I can't say enough about them. They've been outgoing. They've reached out to me a lot. They have emailed me. They have chatted with me online. Honestly, second to none as far as support, and and they got your back. They're going to help you out. They're going to help you achieve your goals and your dreams of what you want to do with your life when it comes to to your tech dreams and programming and coding and such, and data science and those type of things. So go check out Springboard. It's a great place to get that, to get your education on with that. It doesn't take very long. Who doesn't have 9 months to spare to change your life? You know what I mean? I know we're parents. I know we're busy. We have other things like jobs and church and school and and children and family affairs and things like that. But you can make time for yourself. I'm a dad of 5, and I'm going to be working here full time, and I have worked full time. My wife works full time. My children go to school, and if I can make a little bit of time for myself to try to change my life, so can you. You just got to want to do it. So I suggest that you go check out Springboard, give them a call, or go to their website, just springboard.com. See what they're all about, see what they offer. Give them a shout out, let them know that I sent you. I don't get anything out of it, just a pleasure of helping somebody else out that's in the same situation I am. who never wants to stop learning and better themselves, and I encourage you to do so as well. So if you're looking for a great place like that, there's other boot camps out there, there's other resources out there, there's free resources online, there's tons of them. If you want to learn about them, again, go to careerkarma.com. I've got some links up there and some posts up there that'll get you all that information too, so do other people. But my point is, if you want to talk to somebody in person, if you want to find a great group of people that you want to relate to, if you want to learn something and you want to do it, that's easy on the pocketbook, easy on your time, and you can feel good about yourself and be a success. Springboard's a great place to do it at. So I'm going to give them, that credit. So thank you again, Career Karma, for everything you've done for me and all you guys at Career Karma. Thank you to my Career Karma family for everything and all your support. Thank you to Springboard and all your support. And again, HV over here on day 7 of the prep course on CSS. We're going to keep moving forward. I'll update you guys again in a couple of days, let you know where everything is at. Finish up that CSS, and maybe I can jump onto that JavaScript, because that's a long one. That's 56 hours of training before I even get to the actual cohort. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm accepting the challenge. I want to be able to do that. I want to be able to say, hey guys, I did it, and celebrate successes. So that's all I got for you guys today. Kind of a long video, and I was a little long-winded today. Excuse me for that, but I had a lot of things to say since I hadn't recorded anything and did any updates online over the last several days. So just keeping you abreast on what's going on with me. Thank you again, everybody. Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you think this could help anybody else, give them the name. Let them subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all the followers that I can get, because the more I can get out there, the more I can get the word out about Springboard and Career Karma and how I'm doing with my cohort and everything else that I'm doing on this trek, this amazing journey of mine, the better. So thank you guys for everything. God bless you all. You guys have a wonderful day. And like I've been saying lately, hey, if you want to code, or if you're going to have to code, you might as well code like you're a scoundrel. Take care, guys.